Welcome to Mattermost's first documentation hackathon. We're excited to kick off this special event with you. In this kickoff session, I'll introduce you to the technical writing team at Mattermost. I'll tell you who we are, what we do, what we manage, and the tools we use to manage the Mattermost product documentation suite. I'll go over the goals for the event, how you can get involved, how you can win prizes, and we'll talk about the event timelines and where to find us to discuss your ideas. Mattermost's technical writing team consists of two seasoned writers, Justine Geffen and Carrie Warner. Justine lives in South Africa. She manages the product documentation for incident collaboration, integrations, and focal board. She's also our Mattermost handbook champion. My name is Carrie, and I live in Canada. I manage the Mattermost system admin, end user product documentation, as well as the Mattermost in-product text. Together, Justine and I manage and maintain the Mattermost product documentation site at docs.mattermost.com. We ensure that the Mattermost handbook site, located at handbook.mattermost.com, remains current and up to date. We also contribute to the Mattermost developer site at developers.mattermost.com. We develop and maintain product documentation in US English, while Mattermost is translated into 20 languages. Many people, including Mattermost teams, departments, as well as community contributors, help keep the product documentation updated and current. We use a number of tools to develop and produce the documentation. Content is written in restructured text format, also known as RST format. We use GitHub for source control, content previews, and deployments to production. The docs are static HTML pages generated by a Python tool called Sphinx. And the look and the feel of the doc site is driven by a Sphinx theme called Read the Docs. Our goals for this event are to experience the customer's journey through the eyes of the Mattermost community. We're looking for help with our technical tooling challenges. We'd love to know what you'd change about the product documentation. What real-world examples or recommendations, imagery, videos, and accessibility options would you add to help others succeed? At MatterCon this year, we learned that many of our contributors get started with docs and translations. Those contributors have since gone on to build amazing tools and technology for Mattermost. When you consider that Mattermost contributors are located in more than 60 countries and regions worldwide, that's a lot of eyes. Thank you so much for being part of this learning journey with us. This Docathon offers something for every type of contributor. We could use your help fixing and solving some of our build warnings, our mobile display issues, and to learn how to do more in the RST format. The documentation would also benefit from mobile-specific steps in the messaging section. If you're a Mattermost mobile user, we could really use your help developing this content. Does an inconsistency drive you crazy? If so, help us make the docs more consistent, end-to-end, across the entire set. And we're always looking for ways to make the content more accessible. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Supplemental images, videos, animated GIFs, examples, recommendations, they're all welcome. There are 4 steps to getting involved as a documentation contributor for this Docathon. First, choose a way to contribute. Feel free to bring your own ideas or take on an existing docs ticket. Next, sign the Mattermost contributor agreement. If this is your first time contributing, it's a necessary step to getting involved. Become familiar with the way we write Mattermost product documentation by reviewing the Mattermost handbook. Then, create pull requests directly against the docs repo. Be sure to add the Docathon 2021 label to your submission title. All submissions must be in the form of a PR to be eligible for prizes. We have lots of exciting ideas ready for the taking in GitHub. Each ticket includes help wanted and up for grabs, as well as difficulty and area of focus labels. This should help you navigate the list of tickets available. If you're a first-time contributor, we recommend you start with tickets that are labeled with good first issue. It's an excellent place to start. Like all great hackathons, there will be prizes. The top 5 submissions will receive a set of Mattermost branded AirPod headphones. All contributors whose PRs are merged will get Mattermost swag. And we'd like to formally acknowledge contributors who merge 5 or more PRs with LinkedIn recommendations or endorsements. We'd like the world to know how awesome you are. The Mattermost Docathon runs for 2 weeks, starting on Monday, July 26th and ending on August the 6th. Top contributions will be announced on Friday, August the 13th. Join Justine and I in our community workspace channel, Docathon 2021, where you can ask questions, get assistance, and discuss documentation improvement and ideas. You can also find Justine and I discussing all things documentation in our documentation working group channel. Thank you so much for your interest in our very first Mattermost Docathon. We can't wait to see what you come up with.